Do you want to turn your words into cash? Do you want to instantly connect with people, your prospects, through your ads, through your social media posts, blogs, and videos? You are at the right place. In this episode, I am going to talk about how to make content for affiliate marketing. If you're a business owner, you are into affiliate marketing, network marketing, you're a blogger, you're a YouTuber, or someone who really wants to convert their words into superpower, emotionally connect with people, and grow their business. The principles and strategies I'm going to discuss here is going to be evergreen. Hi, I'm Sunil Hegde, the founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, you're watching my episode for the first time, please go and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Without further any delay, let's get into the topic. All right, welcome back. Firstly, let's look at what I'm going to cover in this episode. I'm going to start with foundational principles which you got to be aware before you start your content creation. Then I'm going to walk you through 5 types of copy. After that, I'm going to give you the strategies, tactics, how you can start creating your own contents. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about your next action steps. Before we deep dive into these topics, a big disclaimer. As soon as you finish this episode, you will not be able to master copywriting. It is all about practice, practice, practice. Become 1% better at a time. Just listening to me, understanding these strategies will not work. You got to implement, you got to work so that you can become the best. Yeah. Now let's go and understand the principles. The first principle is deep connection. What is copy? Copy is nothing but the underlying words. When you use those words in a combination, according to your persona, to your target market, you'll be able to deeply connect with them, emotionally connect with them, and the result, what you're expecting will happen. For example, let's say I found someone else, maybe a business owner, maybe a marketer, their email catchy. I use the same subject line, same content, and send it to my audience. Most of the time, it will not work. When the words come from your core, when the words comes from your heart, then you'll be able to connect with your audience. The connection what I have with my audience, the connection what you have with your audience is going to be totally different. So it is very important. You need to have that deep connection. When you find someone else's content catchy, attractive, pick those phrases, the headlines, but write in your own words. Yeah. And the second principle is diamonds are created under pressure. All of us know that. When it is just a carbon, it absolutely has no value, not much value. But when it goes under immense pressure, it turns into diamond and it is invaluable. You should treat this journey, copywriting journey, in a similar way. More and more you practice, more and more mastery you will achieve over copywriting. Writing is not easy. Creating a video is not easy. But when you start writing, when you start befriend with the camera, you will become good. I would have written over hundreds of blogs, so many videos, but my worst videos, my worst blogs were first few. But you should enjoy the process, go through the grind to become excellent in what you do. So diamonds are created under pressure, and be ready to go through the pressure so that you can become invaluable content creator. Yeah. Now let's move on to the third principle, develop your voice. What do I mean by develop your voice? How you have normal voice, you also have a writing voice. Let me give you an example. If you go to a music school, let's say thousands of students are learning the same curriculum, maybe the same teacher teaching, but not everyone is going to sing in a similar manner. Yeah. So they have their own voice. Similar way, when you start writing, as you move forward, as you practice, you got to develop your own unique voice. Don't rip up someone else's content. Rather, model that and write in your own words, as I told, in order to have a deep connection. Enjoy the process and understand these 3 principles so that you become a great copywriter. Okay. Now let's move on to the next section, which is 5 types of copy. So the first one is email copy, which you send to your target audience. And the second one is ads, maybe Facebook ads, Google ads, different types of ads where you use the copywriting. And the third one is blogs. Anything which is more than 2000 words in Google's eye is considered as blogs. The fourth one is social media posts. The psychology, the wordings, what you use for email, Blogs or social media posts are totally different. You got to understand that. Yeah. And the fifth one is sales letter. If you really want to understand, know the genius of a copywriter, you got to see his sales letter. Sales letter is the ultimate. Yeah. So these are the 5 types of copy. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is creating contents. Let's get into the business now. It is going to be very, very interesting. So there are 2 ways you can create contents. So the first one is self and manual, and the second is automated and super fast. What I recommend is when you're going through the process, start with self and manual, and maybe parallel you can go through automated and super fast as well. But it's very, very important. Love the process and see how you can become, by practicing both of this, a great content creator. Okay. So let's look at self and manual first. So the content research formula. As soon as you start this content research, I'm going to give you lots of resources, and I'm going to practically show you as well. You need to have your own swipe file, maybe a digital notepad, maybe a Microsoft Word document. Okay. And start looking for copy. You're not going to read word by word like a content, but you're going to go through the copy and pick up some of the interesting, catchy headlines, phrases. Yeah. Now let me show you the 5 resources which you can use for your content research. So the first one is Google, the big daddy. Yeah. And the next one is BuzzSumo. And the third resource is Answer the Public. Fourth resource is ClickBank. And the fifth one is Swipe. Let me quickly show you all these resources practically, how you can use these resources for your content research. Yeah. So the first one is Google. Here you need to have your key phrase, your topic name. In this example, let's say affiliate marketing tools. As soon as you start typing affiliate marketing tools, give your attention to all other suggestions made by Google. These are the terms searched by people which you can give an idea for your next content. Yeah, affiliate marketing tools for beginners, free tools, software, list, all those. In this case, affiliate marketing tools. Let's click on this. What we are interested here is top 3 or 4 ranked items through Google search. So the first one here is the 17 plus essential affiliate marketing tools 2022 guide. This is first ranked item. That means it has a good copy and all the areas are covered. Best place to go and do the research. Also, you can copy this and paste it in your swipe file. Next one is 16 affiliate marketing tools to boost sales and drive traffic to. Interesting one. 31 affiliate marketing tools every smart marketer needs to. Yeah, this one also catchy. You can paste it in your swipe file. Top 10 affiliate marketing tools for beginners. What you're doing here is you're not going through word by word. You're not reading the whole content. You are skimming through the content and finding those catchy headlines, catchy phrases, and building your swipe file. Through this, you can build your great content. Now let's move on to the second one, which is BuzzSumo. This is a tool which will give you trending blogs on your topic. How this works is, let's type the key phrase affiliate marketing. Yeah. And let's search this item. Let's see the result here. How to start affiliate marketing with no money in 2021. 3 ways to make money online. 16.8K engagement in Facebook. How to start Dash with no money in 2021. How to start YouTube channel with no money in 2021. 3 ways to make money through YouTube. You can just tweak. Yeah. Affiliate marketing for new bloggers. Powerful lessons from best affiliate marketers 2021. Dash for new bloggers. Dash for new entrepreneurs. Yeah. The A to Z checklist for affiliate marketing success. The A to Z checklist for Dash success. The A to Z checklist for webinar selling success. 6.1K. Just have to tweak. Yeah. If you want for a different topic. Get the free affiliate marketing crash course, a step-by-step guide to making mega bucks from affiliate marketing, 5.4K engagement. Through BuzzSumo, you will know for your particular topic, what are the trending blogs, the headlines, the copy, you can find it out. You can build your own content. Yeah. Now let's move on to the third one, which is Answer the Public. Very, very interesting resource. I really love this. Discover what people are asking about. Again, our keyword is affiliate marketing. Let's hit search. What it will do is, it will go to the web and with this keyword phrase, what are the questions people are asking? Yeah. Within a second, you could see 388 results. See the results. Which affiliate marketing is best? Yeah. Will affiliate marketing die? Why affiliate marketing is the future? Which affiliate marketing is best? What affiliate marketing is and how it works? So many questions. You can go through this, find out the best, and amalgamate all these and come up with your own unique one. Yeah, it will give an idea what people are really looking for, and you can make so many contents through this. Now let's move on to the ClickBank marketplace. You would have heard, if you're an affiliate entrepreneur, about ClickBank. People will always talk about ClickBank for affiliate offers. In this case, I'm going to teach you how you can do content research. You can see here different categories. Let's pick one category. Let's pick health and fitness. Always sort result by gravity. And the first one here is XCPure. Let's check the copy. The tropical secret for healthy weight loss. Yeah, I'm not going to read everything. Scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat. Hint, no diet or exercise. Yeah, there is a curiosity. You can see here the highlighted words. Go through the copy based on your niche, your topic, your category, and you can come up with lots of catchy headlines and the phrases. Last, let's go to swipe.co, reverse engineered marketing and copywriting inspiration. The beauty of this website is it will compile all those winning and valuable copywriting materials, maybe a blogs, maybe a sales letter, emails, so on and so forth. Yeah, let's quickly look at one of the niches here. Maybe we can take blogging as an example. Yeah, let's take one of these here, which is social trigger, view swipe. See here, it will highlight the catchy one and it will say why exactly they have highlighted. Do you know what makes people tick online? Curiosity headline that ties in with his USP. Do you know what makes people stick in the webinar? Yeah, you can just tweak this. See here, turn random traffic into loyal subscribers, persuade, bullets that are benefits and hot buttons for his audience. Yeah, through this, you can study a lot of different winning copy and you can make something on your own. Yeah, now let's come back to the mind map. Till now, we have looked at self and manual. I know which is cumbersome. You need to put lots of hard work. You need to go under pressure so that you can come up with your great content. However, you need to love this process. Then only you can become a great content writer. Yeah. Now let's move on to the automated and super fast. In self and manual, you need to put lots of effort. In automated and super fast, how about you having your private personal assistant who has more than 10 plus years of experience in copywriting, content writing, and work for you 24/7, who has seen over 2 billion data point and can give you instantly the catchy headline. You can create blogs, ads, anything, whenever you want, and it will never get tired. Do you want me to spill the beans? It is a tool which is very, very powerful. Let me quickly show you what it can do. Yeah, this particular tool is powered by AI, artificial intelligence. It has many powerful features. However, I'm not going to go through each and every features in the interest of the time. If you really want to know more and more about this tool, in the description, in the resource, I have given a link for a free masterclass. You can go and watch it out. If you see here, you can create ad, landing page, product listing, social media post, email, SMS, basic copywriting, and blog. Let's quickly look at how you can create Facebook ad. Tell us about what you want to promote, either product or content. You can choose whatever the industry or the topic. Hundreds of industries available, you can choose. Then either you can enter URL of your landing page if it is available, or enter a product description instead. If you have a URL, if you paste, it will come up with a product description after reading the landing page. Yeah. In this example, let's go back to the ClickBank landing page. If you remember this one, let's copy this URL, paste here, and quickly within seconds, it will come up with product description. You can see here, you can edit if you want. Let's click on create project. As you can see here, different templates, which tone you want your primary text, default, playful, confident, conversational. Also, you can create a custom one. Yeah. How many copy you want? 10, 5, 3. Let's check 3. If you're not satisfied, you can create more and more until you are satisfied. Yeah. Let's click on generate. See here, detoxifying never tasted so good. Detoxify, cleanse, and flush your organs to aid absorption with XCPure tea recipes that use everyday ingredients from your kitchen. Or don't know. How beautiful and powerful Facebook ad primary text. And one more powerful thing here is the score. Let's click on this. Predictive performance score. If you use this particular primary text, how appealing it is going to be for your target market. This is feminine tone of voice, appealing to young and middle-aged adults, main offering benefits, emotional conveyance, urgency, and CTA. And there are so many people who write ads will get banned from Facebook because of the policy violation. If you can see here, Facebook policy violation in this case is unsafe. Personal attributes, physical and mental health. So you might need to tweak your landing page as well as your primary text. See how useful this is going to be. Yeah. Now let's look at headline. Same way, different templates. You can generate ideas. Boost your immunity with 6 bottles of XCPR. Want to improve your health and live a better life? Get twice the health and energy with XCPR. Yeah. You can generate more if you're not satisfied. Now let's go back and see how you can create a blog. Yeah. Click on blog post, new project. Describe the blog post you want to create. Let's create a blog for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing for beginners. A step-by-step guide for newbie. Yeah. And you can choose the keywords for your SEO. What are the keywords you want to use in your blog? Let's say affiliate marketing tools. Yeah. In the interest of the time, let's skip this and let's click on next. It will come up with so many different beautiful titles, and you can choose one of them. Also, you can generate on your own as well. In the sense, you can create on your own. The beginner's guide to affiliate marketing, top 10 affiliate marketing tools for beginners, affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's choose one of them. If you don't like any of this, you can click on generate more. Okay. Now let's click on next. It will come up with the outline for your blog. Yeah. See here, why use affiliate marketing? How does it work? Why use tools? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. And if you don't want any of the section, you can just delete. Yeah. If you don't like, then generate again. Let's stick with this. Click on next. It is writing an intro paragraph for you. How awesome is that? Yeah. See here, a good affiliate marketing strategy can be difference between earning 10,000 with 1,000. If you don't like, you can generate more. You can read through this. Let's stick with this for the time being. You can tweak and make it better. Yeah. Now let's click on continue to editor. You can see here already there is an intro. You have why use affiliate marketing as a first section. You can write on your own, or you can take a help from this particular tool. You can just click on generate. It will write for you. Yeah. See here, why use affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? First and foremost, it has given you the first section paragraph. You can regenerate if you don't like. If you like it, then you just continue. And you can edit whenever you want. This is how you can create your own powerful SEO optimized blogs for your target audience with a click. Do you want access to this powerful tool for absolutely free? If yes, what you're going to do is, in the description below, I have given a link in the resource section. Click on that link and you'll come to this particular page. Give your email address, or you can sign up with your Google account. Start free trial, free 7-day trial, instant access, no credit card required. Also, it is available in so many different multiple languages. Later, if you want to upgrade to their paid plan, in the resource section, I have given a coupon code. You can use that special coupon code and get instant 30% discount for your first month billing. Sounds good? Now what we'll do is, let's go back to the mind map. What are your next action steps? So the first action step is going to be register for a free trial for this tool. Explore and understand how powerful this tool is. The second action step is, we conduct lots of webinars, masterclasses, web classes from successful entrepreneurs. Whether you want to build super profitable affiliate marketing business, revenue generating online business, you want to be a great YouTuber, you want to build beautiful landing pages, funnels, websites without knowing coding and web designing, and many other topics. These webinars are free and you can register for one of those sessions. And I'd like to see you live in one of those sessions and help you build your business stronger. With that being said, we have come to the end of this particular episode. I hope it was worth your time. What was your biggest takeaways? Please write in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, please go and subscribe to this channel and like this video so that more and more people can see this video. With that, I'm going to see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.